Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we divide both sides by this one. Next, we have y and y, s and s. We can do about factorization. So we see that we have sy, y over s. For this one, we can use about substitution. So I will put about y equals to v over s because we want to simplify s in here and here. Later that this one we can put s square go to the right. And now if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have dy over dx. So for this one we can put like this. This one that is about the product rule of the derivative v over s, that is about v multiplied by 1 over s. That's why we can use this way. So this one we have number 1, so we have dv over dx. This one we have negative 1 over s squared. So y we change by v over s. dy over dx we change by this one. Now we need to simplify. This one we have v, this one we have v. Next one s squared we can put on the right. This one we can simplify. This one we have s. Next, I will put negative v go to the left. Now we can do about common denominator. So this one we have v minus v squared. This one we have v plus v squared. So we combine two fractions together. V plus v, we have 2v. V squared, negative v squared, we cancel. So the s and s go to the left. This one go to the right. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. So number 2, I will put outside 1 divided by v, v divided by v. That should be like this. And now we have the final answer. About v, that is about this one. Now we need to change v into ys. This is the end. Thank you for watching.